You poured water, no? Did you gargle? Gargle? How? Show me. How? Gargle sound. Show me. And spitting. Gargling and spitting. Yes. You all did this, no? Very good. And you all you clean your tongue? Very good. Every day you should brush. Yeah. See here. If we brush, our teeth will be smiling. Now your teeth, all your teeth are smiling. Yes, no? See, your teeth will be smiling. Yeah. If you don't brush, then your teeth will be sad. This is happy and this is sad. See, if you don't brush daily, your teeth will be so sad. See, like this, your teeth will become like this. You want happy teeth, no? Yes. Happy teeth, no? Yeah, that's why you should brush daily. If you don't brush, cavity will be there. Yes, no? Cavity sattavana? Kuda agtava. Okay? Daily brush ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, got it? Smiley teeth is ಬೇಕಾ? and sad teeth is ಬೇಕಾ? Yes, very good. You should brush. Then only your teeth will be happy. Yes. You want happy teeth, no?